How to enable Siri on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Siri. Siri is an intelligent assistant that helps you find information and get things done. Siri settings allow you to control how Siri works, from voice activation and response to accessibility features, enabling you to manage calls, set alarms, get directions, play music, and more, all through voice or text commands. You can customize Siri's speed, language, and even enable Type to Siri for a silent interaction, and control whether it responds when your iPhone is locked. On this page, tap on Talk to Siri. You can choose how you want to activate Siri from here. For example, Siri, or Hey Siri. Then, tap on Enable Siri to confirm. Tap on Continue. Follow the instructions as shown over here. Once you have completed all the steps, tap on Done below. And then, turn on the Press Side button for Siri feature. Following these steps, you can easily enable Siri on iPhone.